Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. I know what you're thinking. You must be thinking that this guy is crazy. He's saying that we can become a crorepati in India before the age of 30. Is it even legally possible? Well, what if I tell you that the average age of becoming a millionaire across the globe is 37 years? Which means if at all you hustle a little bit harder in your 20s, then it's quite possible that you will be able to achieve the millionaire status before the age of 30, or maybe till the age of your 35, you'll be able to have a lavish lifestyle. But how do you do it? Well, there are certain secrets that you can definitely unlock, and this video will definitely help you in that particular aspects, where I'll discuss with you how you can actually practically make certain lifestyle changes, certain mindset changes, and eventually you'll be able to achieve the status that you have been craving for all your life. Well, without a further ado, let's head straight to the point and I'll discuss with you all these points one by one. The number one point over here that you have to implement basically is the fact that you need to focus on earning. I know 20s is a very important age in defining your personality, in building your character, and also it's the age where you have a lot of temptations. So basically you'll have to resist all these temptations in your 20s if at all you are a person who likes to party a lot, if at all you like to enjoy a lot, travel a lot with your friends and family. I know this is very important to develop your mindset, develop your personality, but at the same time your focus should be on how to increase your earning. If at all you haven't started earning yet, you need to focus on how do I utilize my free time, how do I utilize my spare time, how do I utilize my skill set, how do I utilize my things that I have with me. It can be your bike, it can be your laptop, it can be your stuff which basically your parents have given you. How can you probably make use of these things along with your intelligence, and how can you start earning money should be your number one focus in your 20s. The next thing that you have to do is that you need to develop multiple sources of income, because an average millionaire across the globe has at least 7 sources of income. Just look at Virat Kohli today. Virat Kohli is indeed one of the most popular sports stars of our country and also of course of the entire world. But today Virat Kohli does not just make money by his income which he earns in the form of salary from BCCI. Well, he has the income from his salary which he earns from BCCI. Along with that, he also makes money via his Instagram post. He makes money via his businesses, via his brand endorsements, brand deals, and not just that, he also is running a lot of other investment organizations as well, which basically to name a few examples like 1-8 and also the Wrong, and these are all basically the brands which he has developed over the years, which is helping him to generate a huge amount of revenue every single day, irrespective of whether he is playing for the country or not. So you should also have a similar outlook, you should also have a similar idea. You should probably utilize the assets or whatever the things that you have with you and try and put it into use. Maybe right now money is not something that you might be having in a surplus form, but you might be having a lot of time with you. So how are you utilizing your time? If at all you are a college student, what are you doing after your college times? What are you doing after your college hours? What are you doing after if at all you are a working professionals, what are you doing after your office hours? What are you doing on your weekends? If at all you are a college student, you should definitely try and probably sell your books or probably rent out your books. And you can also take up probably coaching classes or help a student to learn any particular skill. And if at all you don't have any skill that you can teach to anyone, you can at least utilize your laptops, your computers to make money out of it. There are so many data entry jobs, there are so many freelancer jobs that are available in our country today, which can easily be done via using a good internet connection and a laptop. So you definitely think about this particular option, and definitely you'll be able to start generating more revenue for yourself, because now the income sources for you are more than one. The third thing that you have to do over here is that you need to now save to invest and not just save to save. After you implement the first 2 points, definitely you'll be able to see some amount of money coming in your bank account, in your pocket, and you will be now very much happy about the fact that you have finally started making money. And if at all you are a frugal person, then you will definitely not spend that money into useless things, and you will definitely try and keep that money in your bank account or maybe in your locker or something. But the idea over here is that you should definitely not save to save, but save to invest. And how can you do it? Well, there are so many ways in which you can definitely utilize your skills, and you can utilize the effect of compounding, because if at all you start investing very early in your life, chances are that you will be able to generate a huge amount of wealth for yourself in the years to come. Now, how can you do it? Well, there are several investment options that are available in your country, and based on your preference, based on your comfort, you can choose any one of them and you can start investing that particular money. It can be investing in mutual funds, it can be investing in a PPF account, or anything or everything which basically is something that you understand, and you can basically take chances out of it. The fourth thing that you have to do over here is that that you need to stop showing off and start showing up. What do I mean by that? Well, if at all you are implementing the first 3 points which we discussed in this video, definitely you'll be able to see that there is a good chunk of money coming in your bank account every single month, every single week, and you might now be very much tempted to invest that particular money into a lot of things. You can probably try and buy yourself a brand new watch, or maybe a brand new phone, or maybe a brand new bike as well. But it's very much necessary that once you start seeing some money in your bank account, it's very much important to be on that path of frugality, because remember, even the world's richest man, Elon Musk, for the longest time had this lifestyle where he used to spend almost $1 per day on his food. Yes, $1, which is almost close to 70 rupees today in Indian currency. He used to spend only that much amount of money for his food in a single day. Not just that, even when he was developing his company initially, he had just one particular computer, and he used to use that particular computer. Basically, he and his brother used to code that particular computer's website in the night, and he used to utilize or take care of the website in the daytime. So you can definitely think about having frugality in your life even when you start seeing money, and eventually you'll be able to collect that particular money and invest it into a better return giving investment option, and eventually you'll be able to create some more wealth for yourself in the long run. And last but definitely not the least, you need to invest in yourself. I know this sounds very, very boring, very, very cliched, but believe me, this is the most important statement that you can do and you can implement on yourself, because you are the most important and precious asset in your life. You are the most important being in your life. If at all you want to become rich, if at all you want to become more wiser, better, smarter, sharper, healthier, you need to learn certain things. But often we have this tendency that as soon as our college is over, as soon as our school is over, we stop learning. We feel that, you know what, I'm done with my degree and education. I don't want to study anymore. But the most successful people, successful investors of the world, like Warren Buffett, till today spends almost 5 to 6 hours of his day every day reading about stock market, reading about stock updates, reading about the news, reading about the books related to investing. So even today, when he is almost like on the top 5 richest people of the world, till today he has this tendency that he wants to study more, he wants to learn more, he's attending more events, he's attending more seminars. There are so many rich people who would always tell you that you need to invest in yourself, invest in your thought process, invest in your upbringing, and also invest in your intellectual levels. So if at all you also want to invest in yourself, there are several ways in which you can do it. You can probably listen to good quality podcasts, you can read the right kind of books, you can attend the right kind of seminars and conferences, and you can also download the Financial Freedom app. There we have made more than 75 plus courses on various topics like personal finance, career building, farming and business, which will help you understand about all these aspects in 6 different languages, which is Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. If at all you want to download this application, the link of this app is provided in the description box, where you can enter my name as soon as you download, and you will be able to claim a scholarship of rupees 2,000 absolutely free. My name is Fayaz Fayaz, which is also visible on the screen right now. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. And if at all you have any feedbacks, any comments, any suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.